In this video, I will show you how to set up a free directory listing using your desktop computer. First, you need to sign into the website. Go to www.markitreach.com. Click Explore Barbados. You will be taken to the Barbados listing website. Once here, you would click the sign in button and sign in using your username and password. You would then see a message of successful login. Then you will be taken to your user dashboard. Your name will be displayed. To set up your free listing, you need to scroll down the page and click the free listing button. You are then redirected to the package page for you to choose the free listing type for the business you have. Should you need help at any point during this installation, click on the need help icon to send a message to our support team. However, if you prefer someone to set up the entire process for you, kindly click the quick listing so we can schedule an agent to meet with you to set up your account. A $50 fee is applicable with this option. Okay. Now you have to choose your listing type. You will choose the services option if you provide a service for your customers, for example, a painter or mechanic. Real estate is if you have a property for rent or sale. Hotels and guest houses also fall into this category. General will be for shops, or if you have any one-off item for sale, like a car or furniture. Lastly, bar and restaurant should be selected if you are selling food items like pizza. In this example, we will set up a cafe, so I will choose bar and restaurant. Scroll down and you would see the list of options the free listing provides. The options with the red X will be available when you upgrade to our premium plan. Now click continue. The second section is where you would enter your company details. Enter the title or name of your business or product you sell. Choose a category or multiple categories that the product will fall under. Let's choose cafe. Add a description. This is where you would use words to draw the customer's attention to the benefits of your products. But in this example, I will keep it short. If you are having trouble writing a description that will entice your customers to make a purchase, we can help. When you upgrade to a premium plan, our agent will come and assist you in setting up your listing with a compelling description that will demonstrate that your product is the perfect choice for your customers. Tags are here for you to choose from a list or enter new ones. Remember to separate each new one with a comma. Tags are helpful when your customer is doing Google searches online. They will guide them to your product listing here. Next is the pricing section. The first option is for delivery. If you are not sure of this or any other area on this form, you can always leave it blank and it would not show up on your listing for the customer to see. For example, a plumber would not have anything in this section as he would do customer site visits. Next, in the price section, is the actual price, which can be set to a range or a set price. For features, you can have a list of points about the product you sell. The business hours section does not show up as this is a premium feature. I will show you how to upgrade this listing later, so that this feature and others would be available to you. The access option you can select if it applies to your business. And, of course, fill out your contact info. If you have a website page, you can put it here, as well as any links to your vacancies. Remember that you can list your vacancies for free on our website, and put the listing link here. The steps to list your vacancy are similar to this, but there will be another video taking you through that also. Next is the social networks. Click the Add New button to create a new social listing. Press the down arrow to display a variety of networks from which you can choose. In this example, I would go with Facebook. Now enter your URL link address here. You can also add more by using the Add New button again, so you can include your Instagram or Twitter account. Now choose the parish your business is located in. If you have multiple locations in different parishes, you can choose them here. don't forget to fill in your full address. If you upgrade to the premium listing, the map section would appear for you to pinpoint the exact location for your customers. We are now at the last part of the setup, which is the images section. Click select image for gallery and locate the image to be used. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the image to this location. The first image you upload in this section should be your logo or any other special image you have. This is because it will be the first picture your customers see. The other image section is for the gallery. These images are the ones your customers will see when they click on your listing to view more information. In this free plan, you can upload 3 images. However, in the upgraded premium plan, you have up to 15 images. Now that you have finished inputting all of your business and product data, you need to agree to the policy and terms. Press this big button Save and Preview. Remember that at any point you are unsure of what to put, you can always save and come back to it later. Okay, we are finished. This is how the final detail page will look to your viewers. Click here to edit the listing again if you want to make any other changes. Browse through your listing. And if everything is to your liking, click continue. This banner here is for our premium members advertising. If you want your products listing in multiple areas across our listing website, you can click here to fill out a form with prices, and an agent will contact you. Okay, let us click continue. We are now at the final part of the form, which is to check out. As you can see, everything is at 0. So you just need to click complete submission, and you are done. A payment receipt is also issued at 0 price. You will be taken back to your dashboard. There you can see your new listing created. As you can see, your listing is pending approval by our website administrator. You will also be sent an email confirmation of your listing submission. Once the admin reviews your submission to ensure that it has no illegal or sexual items or anything against our policy, it will be approved. Once approved, your listing will now change to publish, allowing your listing to be seen by the public customers. Please note that, although it is published, you can still make changes to it by clicking the edit button. Any changes you make now will be published immediately. So please remember to review your changes before pressing continue. This will ensure that your listing is accurate and complete. If you want to upgrade this free listing, you can do so. Once you are logged into the website, click the menu link at the top Upgrade Listing. It would direct you to the Premium Director Relisting form, where you would choose an option. You can choose from our monthly package, or our 3-month special, or the 1-year package. The 3-month special is currently being offered for a limited time only as our introductory package for the year 2023. After choosing, you will fill in your contact name, telephone, and email address. Then select any available date that you would like to meet an agent. All available dates will be highlighted in bold print for you to click on. Next, you have to choose a meeting location. In this case, we will say Sky Mall, and any other details you can add here. If you are uncertain about any fields, or need to fill them out later, you can click Save as Draft. We will email you the form link with the details you had filled out, so you can continue at a later date. Once everything is good, you click the next button. This is the confirmation screen, where you will verify the reCAPTCHA by clicking the I'm not a robot, and also consent to the terms and conditions. This amount is what you will be paying to the agent who comes to upgrade your listing, and it will depend on the package you choose, whether monthly, 3-month special, or yearly. Finally, click confirm, and you will be contacted by an agent to confirm the time and place. For any further questions, please feel free to email or message us through our website. Thank you.